Hello everyone. Welcome to Target 45. My name is Jyoti. Today we are going to solve if two strings are anagrams in Python as part of Day 16 coding series. If you have missed any of the coding problem from day 1 to day 15, please kindly complete it. If you still have not subscribed to Target 45, please kindly subscribe to Target 45 because we are daily going to solve one coding problem and it is really helpful for you for exams, interviews, programming, and logical thinking. So let's first understand what anagrams are. I'll give examples of anagrams first. Silent, listen, they are anagrams. Another example would be astronomer, moonlander, not moonlander, moonstarer. They are anagrams. One more example would be debit card, bad credit. These are examples of anagrams. So now what are anagrams? So if same letters are rearranged to form different words or phrases maintaining same letter count and characters, then they are called anagrams. Here we don't consider case sensitiveness. So these are anagrams. So if the same letters are rearranged to form different words or phrases maintaining same letter count and characters, then they are called anagrams. Here if you see in the example silent and listen, the same words, same letters in silent are used in listen, and this is forming a new word, and the count is the same, the character count is the same, and we don't consider character sensitiveness. It can be either uppercase or lowercase, and we don't consider spaces also. So first we'll define a function. At first, what is a function? A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. We can define a function in Python using def keyword, and the function name is anagrams, and we are passing two parameters which is string 1 and string 2. First we'll remove spaces and then we'll convert all the alphabets into lowercase letters. We have to do this for both the strings. As I said, there is no case sensitiveness when we are checking if two strings are anagrams. So I'm doing this here. After this, according to our definition, the length of the characters for both strings should be equal. If they are not equal, then they are not anagrams. In that case, we have to return false. So I'm writing this condition here using if statement. If this condition is not satisfied, what we have to do? We are using a simple sorted function to check if both the strings are equal. We will print the sorted function here to see what it is giving the output as, to understand. Basically, sorted function, you know, converts all the strings into, basically sorted function takes the characters in a string and store each character in a list in ascending order. So that is how it will check if both the strings are equal, both the lists are equal of same size and same length, same characters. Then it will return true. Then it is called as anagrams. Otherwise, they are not anagrams. We have defined a block of code now here. We need to also call this function in order to make it work. The string 1 is listen and the string 2 is silent. Now we'll print or underscore anagrams string 1 plus string 2. Here we are calling the function and the two parameters are string 1 and string 2, and our anagrams is a function. Let's see what we'll get. If you see, as I said, it takes the characters in a string and store each character in a list like this in ascending order. So this is what sorted function do. And if you see, the length and the characters are same in both the list, that is why it is written as true. Let's say if I change it to some other, let's say this is string 1 is list and the string 2 is silent, we'll see what we'll get. See, it is false. It is returning false because it is not printing any statements, because here the condition is satisfied and it is returning the statement and it is not printing these two statements. Let's say I am giving some random word listo. We'll see what we'll get. See, here it is false. If you see, string 1 is having a different list and string 2 is having a different list and the characters are not matching. That is why it is returning as false. This is how we solve if two strings are anagrams in Python using sorted function. If you have any doubts here, please comment in the comment section. If you have any other recommendations, please kindly comment in the comment section. That's it for today. Thank you.